So I got the boat hooked up here. We're gonna load this puppy down with camping gear and go out island camping. It's June, it's hot, but we're gonna figure it out. Good morning. The boat is loaded down and we are going to the lake. So I made a little bit of a mistake. The ramp that I wanted to use does not allow overnight parking. So we had to do a little exploring, and I did find another ramp that was about 20 minutes away from my original spot that I could park at. So a little change of plans. We're a little further away from the islands I wanted to camp on. We found this first one. There is a fire ring up there, but it's covered in poison ivy, and it looks like everybody uses it as a toilet spot. There's lots of toilet paper, which is super lame. Use biodegradable stuff, people. Come on. But anyways, we're gonna keep looking. The old boat is heavy laden, but we were able to get on plane and still get about 24-25 miles per hour, so shouldn't take us too long to get upstream. Lots of trips to get all the gear out of there. I brought this EcoFlow Delta Pro all the way out here. We were gonna run a fan tonight, but then we left the fan, so we don't have that. But I am gonna pump up these sleeping pads, so at least we can do that. So this is the camp shower setup. This is just a regular garden sprayer. And I have it hooked up to this hose, into this, and you can pump this puppy up and get nice and clean.
Let's get started.
Oh, that's real good.
Where you going, boy? Swim.
What?
Said swim. Back to the house. Kids had a blast. It was a beautiful weekend on the water, and I highly recommend some good old island camping.